But before I go, just help me and be clap for my Muchara. She has kept me, she has supported me, and if I am on top of the game, because of her, I can do amazing things. Amazing. So I thank her for that. Thank you guys, have a blessed day. Oh, our plot later on, Tuli Wanoko must. Then Shukran has invited us for his show.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, buli muntu alete kyasobola, ayina enkobe gikwate, ayina ennyondo gireete, ayina ensuululu gireete, tukyuse wano.
Ennyondo yaki? Ennyondo yaki?
Emizindalo tegigwa.
Okay.
Buli muntu weeyambise kyetuliko wano si byakulya binyeewa. Weeyambise ky'olina, ekifo kino kijjule. Okitegedde ebisigadde like big stage wakwani ono. Bwebitatambula bulungi nga otubreminga kansi tujja breminga ono. Tetugenda buuza bingi kudda okwebaka nnyo, tugenda chapa ekikulu weeyambise ky'olina. Oba olina ka Facebook, oba olina ka tooki, oba osobola ogenda ku drive, bino tebiriko gamba mbu zisobola. Nange bwejja kunda ku street okwo nga nzikuba. Ekikulu tofunye abantu. Kyekikulu. Ayina platform yonna gye yambise. Ofuna nina show ekakyeka kiniriro era nze ngenda giyisaawo mullo. Ndaba gamba wano etuli kakyeka mullo. Mukiniriro 30 ngenda beera mukiniriro wali eri naate era tekijja kuba nakola kalango kawa kapakopate mullo. Buli muntu oyambise ky'olina tena tujja gamba tusasule amu tujja kubeera okuwanira ekitegeera kati tujja kudda bibuuzo bingi mwana tujamala budde.
Okay, thank you so much, Sembatia. To add on something about the dancers, we have a friend, manager Kushe.
10 years on the microphone. Natandikira wala mu karaoke, nakola ku Dayas band ya Lutalo, nakola ku band zinyingi. Nalanga karaoke, nakola mu ndongo y'abana Masaka, ne mwantegera wano Lwanda bangandanga papo party. Chobola abasinga bagamba Bob emyaka 10 yagiwezeza. Lwaki muntegedde kwesa tuje mundabye ngandanga ki papo party. Ne mwera bide twali omusanvu gye nakola mu karaoke. Chimansi wanebira. So, yensonga lwaki mbasaba nti tuwagire kino ekintu kuba kigezezaako okuyamba bangi. Nange kinyanyi ku myaka 3 abamu bagamba irena iresatu kuba bandaba ku TV nga tuli Luweero ndanga papo party. We bandaba kati we ne balowooza nti mwogwo mwaka we natandikira obwa MC. Nedda wali emiraaje na hasuli. So ennaku z'omwezi nga 29 October nange ngenda kubeera ku Ajip Motel celebrating 10 years on the microphone.
Friends and MC Bob myaka 10 tugenda kubeerawo. I told you myself I will support you but to the power party. Is that okay? Can. Last person, yeah? Tukole nyunguli.
Echo kitagenda kubaho. Ensonga y'amoro mwashimeza mononga kujawanya nasembayo tumuha bichaka zindaro kutushabe ngo kuhanda za gypsy agwa tuzuruho. Ekiro ngo mwateka tumanyangu abino gambe bite kubuza bine answer asigara mukabaherezo umugisha.
Agabere munonga so good. Can we have Douglas, you can conclude this over answers. Yanagamba, I think point here about the not Jumuna Rugamba, I've graduated, I've gone to campus here. Yeah, so he was saying, I think we've had issues where people in Kampala organize events the same day with people from here. I think they're trying to talk about my brother Megaton came at the coincidence, him and Katz having the same day. But of which, this is something I talked with Douglas. Douglas is supposed to have Papa Party on 20th, same day with Reiji. Douglas, you're too young number, I cannot put an event the same day with Reiji. Let me maybe bring it closer or Sebeze Momas. So you have to postpone this event to 2 weeks after Reiji. But formally before, me and him were talking. Douglas's date was 20th, same as Reiji. When I came back, Reiji, na kubile simu na wasa sutok. Na ngamba aina event here na kuzomwezi abidi. I immediately called Douglas. Mbukamba Reiji has the same date with us. Na ngamba no. Because I'm working for Reiji, I'm going to work for him. At the same time, Douglas is also supporting Reiji. He's going to work with him. So Douglas was forced to push his event 2 weeks after Reggie, not do the same day with Reggie. Just because he says Reggie is family and is part of us. We can't have a same. For Megaton and Cats, it happened as a coincidence, and we felt bad, but I think it won't happen again. So I think, so we can have answers.
Okay. So allow me to close. Thank you so much, Kacheche. One thing for sure is, because we promote Ugandan music, Tetsola Teputandika Kuranisa regional artists. What Kacheche says is true. We had our date as 20th. Etusanganga Reggie has a show, and then we pushed ours ahead. We were like, show ya fwenese okay Reggie, two is overshadowing, and come no, let's extend it 2 weeks after. So that's what we pretty much did. But as I close, Njagala Bebas, I want to thank you for coming through. The last remarks is let's make history in this place. There's been 1 million events in Mbarara. 10 years. Adasigaza omulimu. Bamusasudde kulangabira. Yes, so I want to appreciate you. There's been lots of events in Mbarara, ku Ajib, ku University in the month where Purple Party is happening. There is B2C, there is Reggie. One thing I have to say is, let's support all these events. Come to Reggie's show. In fact, Evans will tell you our drive is going to be pushing Reggie's event. We are singing Reggie, we are singing Purple Party. That's the love we showcase. Then, just help us tell people what this event is. This is not a usual concert where artists just come sing and then you go. This is a statement to tell the world out there that Ugandan music is very strong. So let's make this statement together. Once we make this statement, the money you pay an artist, it translates into the Rolex guy, wali wabaguze Rolex, eduka lya Shaki's waberaguze t-shirt. So there is like a money. Ugandan music, this is our home. Atefe bakabaka one. You understand? So if you haven't gotten a t-shirt, we will keep bringing t-shirts every weekend. This is the launch of our activations. It's going to be a lot of noise. Show us love whenever you see us, whenever you see our team. I'll personally be in Mbarara frequently. But before I go, just help me and be clap for my muchara. She has kept me, she has supported me, and if I am on top of the game, because of her, I can do amazing things. Amen. So I thank her for that. Thank you guys, have a blessed day. Oh, our plot later on, Tuli Wanoko must. Then Shukran has invited us for his show. Thank you guys.
There is a gentleman who was asking about... okay, sure.
Thank you so much, Douglas. So my question is, as we've seen other pop parties happen, we tend to have plans for the kids, and something that we've not talked about this time around. So should we bring the 12-year-olds, 8-year-olds, 10-year-olds, are they going to be bouncing castles and such kind of things? Because as far as I know, Power Party starts early as 10 a.m. So maybe you can answer that as we move on.
Thank you so much, Nelson.
Thank you so much. I'm like Nelson, Purple Party. I'm going to answer like 2-3 questions. Yours and the gentleman who was seated there. This brand is called the Purple Party. Tukola ebyenjawulo abalala bye batakola. Tubeera ne show kuva ku baana ba myaka 5 mpaka ku bakadde ba myaka 8. Yesho yaffe bwebeera. Don't expect to be disappointed. To giving 99 out of 100. Sound yaffe beera perfect, drive perfect. Buli kimu kibeera perfect. Ensonga lwaki tujjanga twambala t-shirt zino ne tuziwa abantu ne bazambala ne tukola press conference. Tetugwamu bigwe tuveeri ne tujja ne tukola ki? First of all, tusooka tutuula wansi ne tukola list oba ne tukola research wetugenda okukolera. Muyinza oba mutulabye leero wano naye twajjako dda before ne tukola tumitinga muganda waffe Kacheche nakola organization ne tugamba kati Mbarara kiki ekitaliiyo kye tugenda okukola. mujja laba ebintu nga byanjawulo, lighting, sound, stage. You might be surprised nga tutaddewo stage 2 ne bwebuuza ate kati stage 2 zaaki eyo Purple Party mutukiririzeemu. We just come and support. Thank you so much.
For the kids, it gets open at 10 a.m. So kids enter for 5,000 Uganda shillings. All the games in there, the swings, the circus, the bouncing castles, the camel rides are free of charge for the children. So Abasa Sude 5,000, they access all the games. So if you have a parent, please let them know.
I believe everything has been said.